today we're going to be covering another Algebra 2 topic, specifically average rate of change. So let's just get right into it. Average rate of change is also known as the average change in a function per unit over a given interval. It basically describes how one quantity changes with respect to another. So now, if you're looking to solve for average rate of change, you need a formula, which is also y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. And that's going to equal your average rate of change. These y and x's just represent our x and y coordinates. Okay, now here we have a problem where it says g of x is equal to 4x cubed minus 5x squared plus 3. And it's asking us to find the average rate of change throughout the interval -2 and 4. So here we have a table of values that we're going to need to fill in given our x coordinates. So you can either do this by substituting the x values into the function, or just graph this equation into your calculator and look at the table of values and see what the values of y are when x is either -2 and when x is 4. Your answers are going to be -49 and 179. So now we have coordinate points. We have -2 and -49 and 4 and 179. Now we can label these as x1, y1, and x2, y2. This is x1, and this is x2. This is y1, and this is y2. So now we just substitute these values into our rate of change formula, which is, once again, y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. So we're going to do 179 minus -49 divided by 4 minus -2. And whenever you have two negatives, you get a positive, so it's the same thing as saying 179 plus 49, which is 228, and we're dividing it by 4 plus 2, which is 6. And when you simplify this, you're going to get 38, meaning that this is your rate of change throughout this interval for the function g of x.